everyone, what's up? We are going to see how much $50 can get us for the night. We're starting off at Las Vegas Golf Club.
We're walking in right now. You put your golf thing there and you ride around.
That's a big scooter. $10 bucket of balls?
Sure.
Thank you.
And then there's all the rentals.
Oh yeah, how much are they, bro?
$20 if you want to do a $70 day.
Yeah, right. Oh, maybe come here. Alright, where are we gonna go?
You want to go there so we can try to aim for the target?
Sure. They have a little bar and restaurant right here that you could go eat at.
It's called, I don't know. Okay.
Alright, let's go get the balls. They gives us a code. So we just come over here. So you get a bucket. We've never been to a dragon range. And then they have a code. The golfers are responsible for the consequences of the ball you hit. So don't hit anyone. Okay?
Yep. Oh, we lost one. Poor guy trying to not get hit. Here it is. So you open this up, and then you pour them in.
I don't trust myself. Just like pour them all in here?
Yep. So it comes up automatically, and you get to choose like the tee height you want. So right now it's super high. You just press the button. So you want to go first or me?
You go first. Alright, so this one is, there's obviously a whole bunch of different greens you can see. And you get this strip in the background. It looks really bright because there's a bright light right there. All around the golf course so you can see where your balls are. Oh! Colin almost hit the target. It shows you which ones you can hit. So like the back green, front green. I can only hit it to number 1, but it tells you like how many yards it's out there.
I'll use a best club I got. 4.
The 4 is his favorite. Oh look, we're right by the airport, so you can see the planes coming in. Nice hit, bub. Here he goes. Tiger Woods is up. Oh! He's nervous, he's on camera. The other day he was doing really good. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I like think I hit it really far, and then I watched some of their balls, and theirs was Your turn. He's trying to hit that target for you guys so bad. Oh, nice little. Oh! Ah. There's always planes coming in.
Okay, go. No freaking way.
It rolled good, but it hit.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, you better hit it. Alright everyone, so we spent $10 here at Las Vegas Golf Center on a bucket of balls, had a little fun. I hit the target. Sorry Colin, you missed it.
I hit
It was
last time.
this close. Anyway, we got 40 bucks to see where we could go. Alright y'all, we're gonna go into Miller's Ale House restaurant to get some din din.
So they got fajitas, whatever that is, beer,
And burgers.
and cake. That's all you can get. The top stuff's for the grown-ups.
The menus are going to be on the left-hand side. Enjoy. Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
So they put Colin in the corner because he's bad today. Alright, so what are you doing? Hold on, wait, go back.
Oh.
No, go back. Say what you were talking about. Alright, so we figured out what we wanted for dinner. And then Colin flips the menu over to the beer side. He's like, I wonder what kind of beer I'll have for my first beer when he turns 21. So this could be a good comment question. What was your first beer that you ever tried? Are you shining your knife? My first beer, and you guys can argue me up and down, it was Blue Ribbon. My friend Josie, her dad always drank that, and we stole it out of his garage refrigerator. Alright, Colin's gonna come sit over. Alright, so anyway, my Pabst Blue Ribbon story was, that's when Zimas came out and people were putting Jolly Ranchers in them, so we heard that helped them, so then we were putting Jolly Ranchers and Pixie Sticks and all kinds of sweetness into it because it was really gross. I don't think we ended up drinking hardly any of it. We always take a little sip and be done. That's probably why I don't drink beer. Gosh, this kid tonight, he's on one, I don't know. Anyway, here's Colin's French dip, that looks amazing. And I just got their classic burger and fries with extra pickles because I like pickles. Alright guys, we got our bellies full at Miller's. Our check was like $20 and some change, so we left, you know, $4 and some for tip. So we have $15 left. We're gonna go see if we can find something for dessert, because we didn't order dessert. So maybe ice cream or cookies or something. We're gonna walk around Town Square as well, so you can get a glimpse of what it is. Alright, so we are at Town Square. Obviously these are all little shops. Oh, there's a little pottery place, Colin. I like those little, you go paint them.
I like them too.
And then,
Oh, that's not $15.
yeah, it's not $15. And Colin's wanting a little bit of sweetness in his life. Here's a art gallery. Hot Topic. So when you go to the malls, Buttercup, Baby Co., what are some of the stores you shop at? There's Express.
There's doggy fountain.
There's a little doggy fountain for them to drink. Super cute. Abercrombie. I think there's a little cookie place over here. You want to go which way? Oh, so down here they have movie theater. They have GameWorks. Oh yeah, Guitar Center. That's where Colin got his guitar. They always have a Groupon on GameWorks. You can buy a game card for 20 bucks, unlimited games. So that's something fun to do for the afternoon.
We'd do that in $100 day, but that
would take our whole day. Last time he got it, we got the, what did we beat? The whole Simpsons game.
Oh, I thought it was the Terminator.
Oh yeah, we did the Terminator once and the Simpsons. Yes, we like to play video games. Ooh, Wetzel's Pretzels. This is a little fountain area. You can bring your kids. Oh, there's cornhole. All kinds of stuff. The Nestle's Whole House place. It's so good. Oh, Kyle, you want ice cream?
This is all you.
You don't want anything?
No, I'm good.
We got $15 left. This is what we got left. 9 and some change. You don't want anything?
Yeah, I want something, just not from here.
Oh, okay. Big straw for a little cup. What do you want? I got an ice cream sandwich.
I do.
Cinnamon one?
Yeah.
This is what we got left. Plus we got 13 more cents coming.
Cinnamon bites and the caramel, it's $7.12.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you. It's so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot.
Someone is like revving their car up so loud. How's your pretzel?
Good.
So loud. These cookies are freaking amazing.
See, I didn't want to get cookies because you can go to the store, make so many more for under how much you get.
So good though. With your mouth closed, I taught you better than that. There's a lot of kids out here. Huh.
Yeah. That is not smart.
What'd you do? She fell in. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video of our $50 night. It wasn't too much. He had school today, I had to work, so figured we'd go out for the night, half it up, do $50. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all of you. Peace out, Vegas. We love you. Play cornhole with your friends or whatever. It's nice. There are a lot of kids.
Other?
It's pretty water thing. There's Tommy Bahanas, the restaurant bar. Me and your dad never home. Good food.
There's where you meet Santa, even though it's November.
Yeah, Santa's coming. There's the coffee bean.
Mom, that place is really good.
What's this one? Oakley's?
Do you think I could?
That would be a big step up. There's Holy Sheet.
Hey, let's go in there. That or Guitar Center? Yeah, let's go look. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go sheet shopping. So guys, today we are going sheet shopping at Holy Sheets. We don't know if we're gonna get the curling ones. Heck, we don't even know if we're getting sheets. We might get that scooter right there.
I want that big bean bag.
Oh, I want that cube.
Holy, this is way bigger than the one.
Oh. Hey, look. I've always. Do not play games. Machines are for display and sale only. Oh, hello.
What is this? The vibration machine?
Yep, you gotta try it now.
I want to do it.
Also one working mode.
Oh my god. Hey, Colin.
Does it really work?
Weird. It feels so good. It like shakes your whole like.
I don't know if I could do that though for like an hour just standing there.
Here.
You could? Okay, you better get off then.
Also two working mode.
This is really cool. I want one. How much thank you. Those ones are very easy. Over 29. So we're no longer selling those. That's the last one. The last one
Small.
I mean, if you want to work out, but you don't want to work out.
You Right? Do you want to try?
I do.
Yeah. Here he goes. It like, seriously, look, you can't really tell, but look at his legs.
I want to try crazy.
Oh gosh. So, look, put your head back down, your face was shaking like that way. Look at his legs. Alright, we're having way too much fun in the store. It feels so weird though, huh? I'm gonna tell Craig that's what I want for Christmas. Think he'll buy it for me?
I don't know. What's this?
Same thing, probably. Alright, look, they have Pac-Man. This one's way cooler than the one at the store, at the mall. Don't touch it. You little brat. What is beeping? Since when did Holy Sheet sell video games? I think we need one of these in our house, though.
I would get Pac-Man.
$3 grand. $3 grand. They got some weird stuff in this store. Little scooters. This little cyber bike.
I want to try it.
Alright, we really did come for sheets.
So guys, thanks for watching our $50 day. Way more than that. Thanks for watching our $50 day. You can press the subscribe button right here. You can watch the video that's going over her face. And then, yeah. Don't have enough room, so bye-bye.
Bye, thanks so much. Have a great night.